节日快乐！当大家在香港迪士尼乐园庆祝奇妙季节的同时，一位非常特别的朋友已经来到。Good evening, everyone, and happy holidays! As we celebrate the magic of the season here at Hong Kong Disneyland, a very special friend has come to join us. Everyone, please welcome Santa Goofy. Wow, welcome Santa Goofy. Have you come to help us light up our holiday tree? Oh, you know me. You brought a magical holiday wand to help us light up the tree. Everyone, we need you to join in as well. Close your eyes. And while our eyes are closed, let's all make a wish. Did you make a wish? All right, everyone, open your eyes.
Now everyone, copy Santa Goofy's movements and let's see if your wishes come true. Celebrate the magic of the holidays here at Hong Kong Disneyland. Please enjoy the holiday magic that our good friend Santa Goofy will create.
It is this magic that reminds one and all to cherish the magic of the season. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere you go, take a look at the 5 and 10. Once again, with candy canes and silver lanes aglow.
Like Christmas, soon the bells will start, and nothing more is the carols sing like I've got to go outside. This evening has been
hopes and wishes for the holidays.
But perhaps the most universal wish of all is the wish for peace and love. Let there be peace on earth and let it begin with me. Let there be peace on earth, the peace that was meant to be. To take each moment and live each moment in peace eternal.
Join us now as we raise our voices with a hope for joy and cheer. This magical wish of all.
Wow, that was amazing! Happy holidays, everyone!
Thank you for joining us, Santa Goofy.
We hope all of your wishes come true!
And from all of us, please enjoy the rest of your evening here at Hong Kong Disneyland. Say that, Michael.
多謝你嚟臨感受節日帶嚟嘅歡樂，請繼續留步一場迪士尼星夢光影之旅，一齊為生命喝彩，亦希望大